Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you add your phone number on your Remitly app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on manage down here, then you come to this list here, then all you have to do, so you just click here on profile, then it's going to take you to next step, so just waiting to open with you here in this list. So then all you have to do is you just come here to phone number, you click here on add. So then it's going to take you to this list. In here can you add your phone number, then when you're down you just click here on save. So then it's going to save video. In here can you choose your country here before you add your phone number. So as I say, so just sorry, uh, so here can you in this list can you choose your country, like we can for example. So in there can you add your phone and click here on save. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.